Let's make an epoxy and walnut set of coasters. Or at least let's attempt to. Behind the scenes, I went ahead and cut my walnut to length and got that set up in the mold. I mixed up my epoxy, added some mica powder, and then set those aside to thicken up. While those were setting up, I went ahead and put these little paper dividers and these popsicle sticks to kind of weigh them down, just to kind of help separate the colors. In all honesty, I probably could have waited a little bit longer for these to thicken up. You can kind of see the colors already bleeding together a little bit, but it was thick enough that that didn't end up being a problem. I let the mold kind of sit with the paper dividers for a little while longer, letting the epoxy thicken up before I pulled the slips out. Then I went ahead and swiveled it around to break up those harsh lines. This was where I was nervous. I had never done more than a single color pour, so I was really worried. After I swirled, I came back an hour later to this, so I swirled it again and then came back to this. Honestly though, I still super love it. A couple days later, and now it's time to unmold. I was really happy with how easily it came out of the mold and how smooth the back and sides were. I kind of lost the red in the mica powders. I don't know if I didn't mix enough or if the color just kind of dropped out, but I'm pretty happy with it.